gonna start by making this ooey gooey fried brie. You know, Michael, you have been working the longest hours, and I can't believe now you're finally off.
Well, I hadn't really been
And you're going to Costa Rica.
I hadn't really been working long hours. They're like 60 minutes.
60 minutes. You are so funny. So anyway, I'm looking forward to us having lunch today before you leave. So crack those 3 eggs in there. I'm gonna do a crust using panko and pecans. And these nuts, I'm just gonna run a knife through them.
Okay, do I beat these eggs up?
Yes, please. Now tell me what kind of fish y'all are fishing for in Costa Rica.
It's the sailfish capital of the world, but they also have marlin, and there's a neat fish called a rooster fish. And it looks like it's got a big comb on his head.
Oh, I heard you talking about that the last time you went. Y'all didn't catch one though, did you?
Okay, now put this in here, the eggs?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You can mix this up for me.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut our brie into wedges. I've got some tiny wheels. I'm gonna just do it like a pie and cut it maybe in 8. And we just gonna drop them real quick down in the fryer. So stick these in the eggs and here.
then in here?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Drop it.
Perfect.
Yes. All right, so you can take your hands out of my crust and you keep them in your eggs.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna have to dip over in here and help you.
Well, you're supposed to keep your hands
I know,
out
I know.
of my egg plate.
So what time's your plane?
Soon.
Good. He's one of the funniest men I've ever met. And we pull each other's chains all the time. We do a lot of teasing and joking. You know what, Michael? You better be careful, because I heard there's some big bad monkeys in Costa Rica that just run loose and will come up on you and is not scared of you.
Who told you that?
Susan Green Bubbles. She said she went, and all of a sudden these monkeys just appeared out of nowhere.
They got monkeys down there, but they don't chase you.
Well, she said they would come up and look at you like, what you doing here?
Well, you know what you do then?
Yeah, you get
out
your
of there.
butt out of there. All right, so look at these.
That looks better than what I was thinking.
Yeah, I know sometimes you think, what is she feeding me? But I've never given you anything bad, have I? Have I?
Maybe dangerous, but not really bad for me.
Now, we're not gonna fry these, but just for a minute. Come on, Brie, pop on up there.
Let me do that while you do the raspberry sauce?
Yes, but I mean, they're almost ready to take up, Michael.
Okay, here I go.
Yum! So I'm gonna start with 1/3 cup of raspberry preserves, because I know you like hot stuff.
Right.
I'm gonna put some red pepper flakes and a little rice wine vinegar, you know, to tart it up a little bit. And then I'm thinking a little lemon zest will be good in it.
What did Aunt Peggy call that? The lemon zest.
Jest.
Yes.
She is so funny, she just mutilates the English language.
I said, please say it one more time.
Y'all, let me tell you about my Aunt Peggy. Oh, my goodness, she knows exactly what it is in her head, but her translations can knock you on your butt with laughter. Now, here's our sauce. Look, Michael, our brie is just running everywhere.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. All right, come on over here, Michael.
Okie dokie.
This is gonna be a wonderful little treat. So dig in.
So how do we eat this?
With your hands in your mouth.
Okay.
There you go.
Mmm.
What?
Delicious.
Do you really like it?
Mm-mm. You know, it reminds me of a grilled cheese sandwich. You know, I'll give anything a try.
Oh, Michael, it's delicious.
Mm-hmm. And I like to try the way Paula prepares it because I know it's done right. I don't even want to go now.
You can stay home with me. y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.